कोकणातील माणसे नारळाच्या पाण्याप्रमाणे गोड आहेत. कोकणावरील प्रेम आणि मालवणचा नातू या नात्याने या भागाची सेवा करणं हे माझं कर्तव्य समजतो. माय इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटच्या विविध कोर्सच्या माध्यमातून विद्यार्थ्यांना जगभरात संधीची दारे खुली होतील असं प्रतिपादन लोकमान्य ट्रस्टचे चेअरमन आणि ज्येष्ठ संपादक डॉक्टर किरण ठाकूर यांनी केलं. लोकमान्य एज्युकेशन ट्रस्ट संचलित माय इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटच्या 2024-25 वर्षाच्या ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्रामच्या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी ते बोलत होते.
It is my immense pride and joy that I stand before you on the orientation day of my Institute of Hotel Management. As a hotelier by profession, a master's degree in marketing, and now a trustee to this institute, I am deeply honored to address you today. The idea of this institute came to our mind not less than 4 months back, where we had this beautiful institute ready, and we were looking at options of what to start here. We had a lot of options that that came to our mind. We were wondering what to do, what would best suit Sawantwadi. Understanding that everyone today wants a good job, glamorous job rather, international job, and what better than hospitality. It helps you serve people, know people, make friends, travel international, develop relations. After COVID, the only industry that I think survived was hospitals and hospitality, because one, people started their home catering, people started hospital catering, and one thing what nobody stops from is eating. So tomorrow you all have secure jobs. Don't worry about that. You've taken a right decision by taking admission here, because come what may, no one stops to eat.
I'd like to start by sharing one strong belief that I have. I believe that us Indians and the people of Konkan already know hospitality. Hospitality is in our blood. All that we require was a little bit of finesse and how to bring it forward to our guests. And I also believe that with the right institute, we can hone our skills. When Yuvraj and I decided to start the Sawantwadi Palace Boutique Art Hotel, it was definitely something that we were very eager to do, but it required a lot of courage. To open a luxury hotel to be serving Japanese and Korean food, to be serving plated desserts which are international, and not knowing how our people would perceive it was definitely something that we had in mind. But what took us through was the belief in us. We believed that people travel for good hospitality, we believe people travel for food, and fortunately for us today, we have people not only from all over India, but internationally coming and staying with us at the Savantwadi Palace Boutique Art Hotel. One major thing that I think that I would like to give the young students who are starting or embarking their journey in hospitality is that our industry is so beautiful. It may require rigorous hours of work, it requires you to work 12 to 14 hours, all of us have done that. But at the end of the day, there will be days where you come home where you just want to cry, but there will be days that you will feel so fulfilled that you were able to make another guest's day better. What does hospitality stand for? Hospitality means putting others' needs in front of yours. And one thing that I live by is that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. And this is what I will leave you with today. We are embarking on a beautiful journey. You're going to learn a lot at this institute. And keep in mind that anything that you start in the future, just believe in yourself. If you believe in your product, do not feel shy to charge the money that you would like to. But at the end of the day, people will travel to you if you serve excellent quality and quantity.
It's very nice to have a Central Education Institute present over here, because there's a lot of BSc degrees, Bombay University related colleges, hotel management colleges around the area. But to have a recognized institute from the center is a very prominent thing. So similarly, I also did my IHM. I did it from IHM Mumbai, and that time it was, I think so, it was under IGNOU, and now it has changed to Jawaharlal Nehru University. So I would like to tell you a little bit experiences of myself when I was studying there. So firstly, there are a lot of people, like other than my family, there were a lot of negativeness when it came to hotel management, because they said that you being from a royal family, why are you getting into this stream where you're working for someone, where you're being a chef? But I said one thing is that if you like doing something, no matter what the work is or how the work is, you should definitely take part in it because you love it. Because you will do it with that much more interest and that much more life in it. So I believe that if you love doing something, you should definitely go ahead and do it. And in those 3 years when I was there was the internship, which was for 6 months. And you work in each department. And so Madam also was there in IHM. So in those 6 months you're working in each department, you're working in the housekeeping, you're working front office, and you're working food production. My interest was always food production, always the kitchen. But you had to do all these departments. And I think it is worth doing all the 6 departments and working in all 6 of them, because you understand the problems, you understand what the solutions are, and you understand what the difficulties they're going through. Because when you're running a hotel or when you're running a restaurant, it is important to know each and every department, to understand their problems, to understand what they are facing. Because you may think your work is the best work and your work is the most difficult work, but every department is as hard as the other department.
So as a hotelier from last 20 years, it's been a wonderful journey for myself personally, and I have transitioned from chef to food and beverage to training and HR and learning and development. So it's a wonderful industry altogether, and let me tell you, thank you very much my institute to invite me for this gracious occasion. When a lot of people ask me that what's the magic formula to get selected in the hotels or to get those coveted jobs, and I would like to tell them only one thing. Just remember these 3 letters. It's A, S and K. So now you wonder, what is this? It equals to ask, So, the first and foremost important thing is that you are students. In fact, I also believe a lifelong learner to myself. And what we need to do exactly that we need to ask. So if you are a student, I would request you, please ask your faculties whatever question is there in your mind. Because if you do not ask, you will not get what you want. Now let's come back to this magic formula of ask. It's ASK. Do anyone wants to guess what is this ASK? Anyone? Maybe from here. Very good. So what first is attitude? All right. Skill. Excellent. So skill and then knowledge. Absolutely. So what I would like to tell you that since you come to the Hotel Institute, you need to understand that the knowledge and skills you will get over here. But of course, there is no barrier to acquiring knowledge and skills. So once you get the required knowledge from the institute, you need to follow a God's rule. I hope that everyone believes in a God, and God has told us that, you know what, the God has actually given us 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 mouth. So that means God is also asking us to look and observe more, to hear and listen more, and to speak less. This is very important when you start your journey as a hospitality person. And definitely, I would say that when you start at the lower level, okay, and I'm sure that dignitaries present over here would also agree that keep your mouth shut, observe more and listen more. That will definitely help you.
सिंधुदुर्ग, गोमांतक आणि बेळगाव हा त्रिवेणी संगम आज आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळतोय. खरोखर मी त्याबद्दल आनंद व्यक्त करतो. कोणतेही कार्य करत असताना त्याचे गौरव गाथा ही समाजापर्यंत पोचणं हे तेवढंच कर्तव्याचं आहे. आज देश स्वतंत्र झाला, देशासाठी प्रत्येकाने योगदान दिलं आणि आज या कोकण भूमीतूनही आज देशासाठी योगदान देणारे आदरणीय श्रीमान किरणजी ठाकूर यांचे पितामह स्वर्गीय बाबूराव ठाकूर, मामांचे आजोबा कैलासवासी शंकरराव ॲडव्होकेट गव्हाणकर आणि ज्या मातोश्रींच्या नावाने आज ही माई इन्स्टिट्यूट आज एक आमचं स्वप्न होतं की ज्यांनी समाजासाठी योगदान दिले त्यांचा आदर्श भविष्यात पुढे समाजासाठी राहावा, त्या उद्देशाने आज माई इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट आज या ठिकाणी याची मुहूर्तमेढ झालेली आहे. आणि एक व्यक्तीचं जे विजन असतं, आपण जी दूरदृष्टी असते ती खरोखर समाजासाठी योगदान देणं अशा फार कमी व्यक्ती आहेत की त्यांचं फक्त ध्येय, ध्यास आणि कर्तव्य, पारदर्शकता आणि प्रामाणिकपणा ही समाजासाठी असणाऱ्या अशा फार कमी व्यक्ती आहेत. आणि खरोखर त्याचा आम्हाला अभिमान आहे. आदरणीय मामा दैनिक तरुण भारत या माध्यमातून जे समाजापर्यंत नेण्याचं काम सिंधुदुर्ग, गोवा, बेळगाव आणि ज्या बऱ्याच आवृत्ती आज त्या माध्यमातून सामाजिक संदेश जो दिला जातो, संघर्षाविरुद्ध, अन्यायाविरुद्ध संघर्ष, ही जी दैनिक तरुण भारतचं जे आपुलकी आहे आणि त्याच्यातूनच शैक्षणिक महत्त्व जे स्वर्गीय बाबूराव ठाकूरने सुरू केलेलं ती जी संकल्प आहे तो पुढे किरण ठाकूर यांनी हा पुढे नेलेला आहे.
आम्ही कोकणातलेच लोक आहोत. माझे आजोबा देशभक्त शंकरराव गव्हाणकर हे 37 साली ज्या निवडणुका झाल्या ब्रिटिशांच्या आमदानीत, त्यावेळेला पहिले असेंब्ली मेंबर होते मालवण भागात. त्यांनी वकिली करत असताना राष्ट्रीय चळवळीत भाग घेतला आणि घरातले 6 जण, ते त्यांची पत्नी म्हणजे आजोबा, आजी, 2 भाऊ, 2 बहिणी, असे 6 जण तुरुंगात. तुरुंगात जाणं म्हणजे एक मर्दमुखीचं लक्षण आहे. इतरांना तुरुंगात जायला सांगायचं, स्वतःची बायकोलाच का नाही, म्हणून मग त्यांनी तिलाही सांगितलं आणि ती तुरुंगात गेली. माझ्या आईला कुटुंबाची जबाबदारी स्वीकारावी लागली आणि त्यामुळे ती संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र चळवळीमध्ये पहिल्या तुकडीतनं तुलण्यात गेली आणि ती स्वयंपाकात हुशार होती आणि आम्हाला चमचमीत पदार्थ आईकडनं, आत्याकडनं, काकीकडनं, पत्नीकडनं आणि मुलीकडनं खायला मिळालं. त्यामुळे मी धष्ट पुसतो 110 किलो वजन झालं, पण कमी केलं मी. शारीरिक दृष्ट्या तंदुरुस्त राहायचं आपल्याला करोनाने शिकवलं. 2 वर्ष करोनाच्या काळात आपण आपल्या तब्येतीकडे लक्ष द्यायला लागलो, कुटुंबाच्या तब्येतीकडे, समाजाच्या तब्येतीकडे, राष्ट्राच्या तब्येतीकडे. त्यावेळेला अनेकांनी जोखीम पत्करून समाजसेवा केली आणि त्यानंतर आज चांगले दिवस आले असं म्हणायला कोकणात ज्ञानदानाचं कार्य माझ्या आजोबांनी केलं होतं. अनेक शाळा काढल्या, जसं इथलं सावंत भोसले घराणं श्रीमंत बापूसाहेब यांचं नाव घेतलं जातं. त्यानंतर शिवरामराजे भोसले यांचंही नाव घेतलं जातं. संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र चळवळीतले ते पहिले आमदार होते 57 साली. माझी त्यांची ओळख 66 साली झाली होती, ज्या वेळेला इकडे कोयना भूकंप झाला आणि त्यासाठी मदत देण्यासाठी बेळगावमधनं गोळा करून मोरारजी देसाई खेडला येणार म्हणून आम्ही सगळेच जण इथूनच सावंतवाडीमधनं खेडला गेलो. त्यावेळेला ती आमच्याबरोबर, त्यावेळेपासून परिचय. नाथपै 57 साली खासदार होता. 57 साली नाथपै संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र समितीचे खासदार, पण PSP पार्टी प्रजा समाज होता आणि हे संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र चळवळीतले पहिले आमदार. शिक्षणप्रेमी सगळं सावंत भोसले घराणं. त्यामुळे मुंबईच्या काही नागरिकांनी असं ठरवलं की कोकणात कॉलेज काढावं आणि त्यामुळे सावंतवाडीला कॉलेज काढण्यात आलं. राणी साहेबांनी त्यावेळेला 1 लाखाची देणगी दिली. त्यामुळे राणी पार्वतीदेवी कॉलेज असं नाव त्या संस्थेला म्हणजे त्या कॉलेजला देण्यात आलं. आर्ट्स आणि सायन्स कॉलेज. पण ते 2 वर्ष चाललं आणि 2 वर्षानंतर इथे फ्लू आला होता आणि त्यामुळे कॉलेजमध्ये स्टुडंटच नव्हते. मग त्यावेळेला व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपॉल रेगे बेळगावला आले आणि त्यांनी माझ्या वडिलांना सांगितलं की आमचं कॉलेज बंद करणार, तुम्ही चालवायला घेता काय बघा. स्वातंत्र्य मिळालं होतं आणि माझ्या वडिलांनी शिक्षणात बरेच काम केलं होतं. त्यामुळेच त्या ठिकाणी नागरिकांना गोळा करून राणी पार्वतीदेवी कॉलेज सावंतवाडीवरनं बेळगावला आणण्यात आलं आणि आज ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेजचा दर्जा आम्हाला 2 वर्ष प्रयत्न केल्यानंतर मिळालेला आहे. आज सगळं कॉन्टिनेंटल किंवा एशियन फूड द्यायची व्यवस्था केली. तर यामध्ये आता BA, BCom किंवा BSc हे ट्रॅडिशनल कोर्स होते. त्याच्यामध्ये आता प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेसना महत्त्व आहे. म्हणजे इथे शिकल्यानंतर लगेच जॉब प्लेसमेंट पाहिजे. जॉब प्लेसमेंट या ठिकाणी जे शिकायला येतात त्यांना लगेच उत्तीर्ण झाल्यावर कॅम्पस इंटरव्ह्यूमध्ये जॉब प्लेसमेंट मिळू शकणार आहे. कारण हे शिक्षण इतकं महत्त्वाचं आहे की काही नाही म्हटलं तरी घरचं जेवण करून मुलीला नवऱ्याला जेवण घालता येते चांगलं, बाहेर जाणार नाही हॉटेलमध्ये, कदाचित चांगलं जेवण चमचमीत खायला मिळालं. चहाची पटली तरी चालू शकते. कॅफेला आज महत्व, बेकरीला महत्व. पण आज काही वेळेला दोघेही नवरा बायको काम करत असतात आणि त्यामुळे कुणालाच वेळ नाही घरात शिजवायला. मी एक अमेरिकेत होतो माझीकडे, तिथे तिची मैत्रीण होती फिलिस म्हणून, आणि तिचा नवरा चक हे घरात चहा सुद्धा बनवत नव्हते, सगळं बाहेरून मागवायचे. आजकाल टोमॅटो झोमॅटो काय काय झाले, घरात बसून मिळते ही शक्यता आहे. त्यामुळे सेल्फ उद्योगाला प्रोत्साहन देणारा हा कोर्स आहे. आणि यामध्ये सगळ्यांनी इथे जमलेल्यांनी सुद्धा यावर्षी स्टुडंट मिळवायचा प्रयत्न केला. पुढच्या वर्षी फुल होईल, पण यावर्षी 20 स्टुडंट झालेत. 15 ऑगस्ट पर्यंत डेट आहे. अजूनही प्रयत्न करा. घरच्या माझ्या मुलीला घातलं जसं हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट, तिकडे मी बघायला गेलो होतो, ऍडमिशन झाली होती. रफिक झकेरी आज संभाजीनगर म्हटलं जातं, औरंगाबाद पूर्वी म्हणायचे. तिकडे चक्क फरशी धुवत होती. म्हणजे हार्ड वर्क आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. 5 स्टार दिसतात, हयात हॉटेल दिसते किंवा ताज हॉटेल. मी 7 स्टार प्लस हॉटेल बघितले. दुबईला अजून गेलो नाही, पण अमेरिकेत बऱ्याच हॉटेलला, इथे राजेसाहेब कलिनरी इन्स्टिट्यूट मध्ये शिकले, त्या ठिकाणी युवराजनी भेटले त्याला, तर तिथे इन्स्टिट्यूट बघायला म्हणून मी गेलो. कारण माझी मुलगी शिकते, मग तिच्यासाठी कॅफे काढायचा विचार होता. पहिल्यांदा छोटं कॅफे काढलं, पण नंतर आता मोठी आता तर कायचे काय आहे. त्यामुळे 5 स्टार 3 स्टार हॉटेल आणि रिसॉर्ट्स या ठिकाणी मुलांनी शिक्षण चांगल्या प्रकारे घ्यावं. त्यासाठी लागणारे शिक्षक आम्ही मुंबईहून आणू शकतो, गोव्यातनं गेस्ट लेक्चरर्स आणू शकतो, शेफ वेगवेगळे आणू शकतो. आणि आज मोपा मनोहर इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट केवळ 1 तासाच्या अंतरावर आहे. त्यामुळे आणि रेल्वे स्टेशन कुठूनही सावंतवाडी रोड स्टेशनला आहे. रत्नागिरीहून येऊ शकतो, गोव्यातून मडगावमध्ये येऊ शकतो. हे विद्यार्थ्यांच्या दृष्टीने सोयीचं ठिकाण आहे.
It is a matter of pride and immense pleasure that destiny has given me the opportunity to join my Institute of Hotel Management, Malgaon, Savantwadi, as its principal. And today, I am here to welcome the new students choosing this institute as they embark on their academic journey that will define their dream career in the hospitality industry in the years ahead. This auspicious day has acquired special value with the presence of the eminent personalities and stalwarts of the hospitality industry. Dear students, MIHM family consists of academicians, administrators and support staff, all of whom are dedicated to ensure that you achieve your goals. Your joining this institute comes with a lot of expectations on your part from your parents, colleagues and faculty. All of us have one thing in common. and it is to see that you succeed in your studies and acquisition of technical skills, leading to you metamorphosing as a future hospitality professional. My Institute of Hotel Management believes in setting high standards, governing students' conduct and discipline, as this is the requirement of the industry. And I urge each student to be our brand ambassadors wherever you are, in your dress sense, in your behavior, your communication skills, your interpersonal relationships, so that the good name of this institute will be of great benefit to all of us as a family. Punctuality, immaculate grooming, and personal hygiene should be your way of life. As a part of the course requirements, it is mandatory for the students to undergo industrial training or internship in a hotel to acquire practical knowledge and experience relevant to their career choice. During this period, you are expected to conform or follow the organization rules of the hotel and exhibit a high degree of discipline and professionalism. I strongly believe that for a student's education to be fruitful and complete, all the major stakeholders, the student, the institute, and the parents, all of us have very serious roles to play. I thus request the students to fully utilize the facilities and academic resources on offer at MIHM, and I'd also like to request the parents to play an active role by keeping in touch with our faculties to monitor and encourage your child's progress. On behalf of my Institute of Hotel Management, I give you a commitment today that I and my team at MIHM will put our best foot forward to guide and mentor all the students who have come to us successfully towards achieving your dream in life, to be the global hospitality leaders of tomorrow. Now, before I express my gratitude to everybody who's connected with this organization, I'd like to request all my students to please stand up. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our wonderful students of my Institute of Hotel Management, our first batch of students. Congratulations to you for joining this institute, and I want to see all of you very successful in your hospitality careers. Please have the courage to ask, as we have already heard from Mr. Prabhu. Ask questions, okay, seek answers, go beyond your syllabus, study well, and always take the help of your seniors, and the hospitality professionals will be there, like our Yuvraj and Yuvrani, who are so eager to help you out in learning. So we are very fortunate to have such eminent personalities who are wanting to help our students. So I think we are in really good hands, and you have to do your part now. We'll do our part, you do your part. Study well, train well, build up your careers, and go and conquer the world. Okay? Congratulations again. It is said that gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. We wish to express our gratitude to the shining stars from the world of hospitality as well as royalty. His Highness Yuvraj Srimant Lakham Sawan Bhosle and Her Highness Yuvrani Srimant Shraddha Lakham Sawan Bhosle. Similar sentiments go out to the very knowledgeable and professional learning strategists at Hyatt Corporations, and also the learning manager at Grand Hyatt Goa, Sri Prasad Prabhu, for gracing this auspicious event and for sharing your stories, providing insights to the hospitality industry, and encouraging our new students to chart out their roadmap to follow in your footsteps. My team of faculty and staff joins me in expressing our gratitude to Dr. Kiran Thakur, the very loved Mamaji of the vast Lokmanya family, who is the spearhead of the growth of education and hospitality division of the Lokmanya Group, also the media, for his vision in establishing a much needed high-quality hospitality institution of the stature of NCHMCT or National Council of Hotel Management recognized IHM in the Sindhudurg area.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकण 7 लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल.